Sierra with WTI. I have to tell you about this book I was given. Literally, it was given to me by someone who said, hey, I know you like bright colors. They just thought this book itself was pretty, but when I got into the story, I was completely transported into another world. It talks about this family and their wild ride through the town of Macondo. It's like nothing you've ever read before. And what's so cool about this book is words flow and they paint these beautiful word pictures that you can easily see. There's so many times where I'll be reading this book and then I just have to close my eyes and imagine what's going on and I can see everything, word for word, an exact picture in my head. So whether you're a hardcore book lover, you're just looking for something new to dive into, or you, like my friend, just really like pretty colors and you want something really pretty and bright on your shelf, this is it. And this is definitely a story I will be going back to and reading again because it's one of those books you just can't read once. And that is my point of view.